Alright guys, so now I'm going to get the trolling motor all prepped up here. I'm not sure what that is. I'm just gonna try and clean the top and get it good enough. It's obviously really faded, as you can see. But I'm just gonna clean it and cover it and have it good enough, get the wires out of the way. Try and take this thing off. And then from here to the bottom, paint it all black. It should just be a really quick and easy paint job. Just take the little propeller off. And yeah, just spray it so that it matches all those motors, or both of them. And then over here, from when I painted the safety chains yesterday, I got them all put on now, and they look pretty good. And then here's the seat. This is all prepped and ready to be painted. I'm just waiting for the trolling motor to be ready, so then I can do that. And then once that stuff's painted, I'm gonna get the spare tire put on. And then I'm gonna get the lug nuts put on the trailer, just because that stuff's really easy. It's just, haven't gotten to it yet. And then what I gotta do is I gotta hold up my transom boards. I think I showed you, maybe, I don't know. Well, here they both are. I gotta hold those up and drill the holes to get them mounted. And then I gotta find hardware and find out how much I need of everything. So that's the plan. And then might get started on the car, so I gotta try and get this stuff done first. Alright, so I got the seat all ready and done. I painted it with that nice trim paint, and it seems to be pretty durable so far. And I got the cushions all mounted. I just had to use some screws here. They weren't quite self-tappers, they were actually still screws, but with the hex head, so that's really nice. Because there was no way that I was going to be able to do anything with that again. And I saw these and it's like, well, why try and find a washer and make those work when I can, I don't know, I just did it like that. And they're on there pretty good now. And it looks really nice from right here. And also one other thing I noticed is that this piece is bent. I'm not sure if I accidentally did that, trying to straighten these dumb brackets right here, or what happened there, but yeah, oh well, it's a little off. But you know, guys, this setup was like, it said 72. That's what the post said. So everything here was 48 years old that I'm fixing up and making it look like really nice again and new. But yeah, the seat just, that's the perfect center point right there. It's just like now the boat's waiting for its captain. The blue is a little bit darker, but it's not bad. And the silver is a little bit darker too. But I like it. I think it looks really good. And I'm happy with it. So I think that's what matters. So there's that. And then I got the trolling motor painted, but that's still outside. And the sun came out and it's really hot out now. Like I've been sweating ever since I painted this stuff, so that's good anyways. And so that's something I can mark off the checklist. And now I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get the lug nuts done and the spare tire cover on and get that easy stuff out the way now. And then yeah, oh, and I also got to get the lifetime registration sticker put back on the front right there. And I'll probably mess with the license plate. So I'll get that stuff done next and then update you guys. Alright guys, while I'm waiting on parts for the four-wheeler right here, I'm going to get started on putting the transom on the boat. I'm going to drill all the holes in it and just get it ready to be bolted on. And then at least I'll have the holes. I got to get bolts tomorrow. And then I can put my badges on the board, and so then it's, you know, like how it was before. And then I gotta put my lights on and then finish up the trailer, like I've probably already told you guys a few times. But I think I'm finally gonna get around to it. Everything else is kind of on a hold. I know I'm for sure working on the car tomorrow and bolting the transom up tomorrow. But my SD card's actually about to run out, so I don't know when I'm able to get a new one, but hopefully soon. But anyways, I'm just gonna basically be getting the car done. If I have to, I'll use my phone to record, just to, still have that for you guys. But anyways, it's just gonna be finishing this up and just trying to get the boat and the trailer all done. And then I got a weed whip over here too that I got a carburetor for, so then that'll be done too. It's actually my boss's also. So just trying to wrap things up here. So just look forward to seeing this finished. All right, also one last thing that I forgot to mention is, I got the boat motors right here, and the one for this one's actually up here, and I ordered a piston for it because remember it was seized. So I got that coming, so hopefully I can get this one back together soon.